We have all been there. Your Windows PC starts acting up, apps are crashing, settings won't open, and the whole system feels sluggish. You look for a solution online, and every single forum gives you the same advice. Just run SFC/scannow. It is the most famous command for repairing system files. But let's be honest, most of the time it fails. You usually end up seeing that frustrating message. Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. So, why does this happen? Is the tool useless? Not quite. The real problem is how you are using it. In this video, I am going to show you the proper sequence to repair Windows so that the SFC tool actually does its job. First, let's look at the why. The System File Checker, or SFC, replaces broken files with fresh ones from a local image stored on your hard drive. The catch is that after months of updates and patches, that local image itself can become corrupted. So when SFC tries to fix your PC, it is essentially trying to repair broken files using other broken files. To fix this, we have to repair the source image first using a tool called DISM. Step 1. Repairing the Windows image. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Once the window pops up, we are going to use the Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool. Type DISM/online/check health. This does a quick surface check. To go deeper, run the same command but replace check health with scan health. This performs a thorough scan against Microsoft's official servers. Finally, to actually fix the damage, run DISM/online/restore health. This might take a few minutes as it downloads clean files from Microsoft to fix your local system image. Step 2. Now that the source is healthy, we run the command you know, type SFC/scannow. Because we just repaired the Windows image, SFC finally has perfect files to work with. Usually, this results in the success message we've been looking for. Windows Resource Protection successfully repaired corrupt files. What if DISM can't connect to the internet? You can use a Windows 11 ISO file as a manual source. Download the Windows 11 Media Creation tool from Microsoft. Run it and choose the ISO file option. Once downloaded, double-click the ISO to mount it as a virtual drive. Open that drive, go into the Sources folder, and find a file named install.vim or install.est. Copy the folder path from the address bar. Now go back to your command prompt and add this to your restore health command. /source:, then paste your path followed by a backslash and the file name. You can also add /limit access to force Windows to use only your ISO file. Hit enter, let it finish, and then run SFC/scannow one last time. So next time someone tells you to just run SFC, remember, fix the source first, then the tool will actually work. If this helped your PC run smoother, hit that like button. For more straightforward Windows fixes, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.